So now let's go to number 12. Calculate the total revenue generated by each supplier and identify the supplier contributing the least to total revenue. So now we go to um the SQL. So we have to select the supplier's first name, last name, the sum of, we have to get the sum of the price times the quantity from the purchases as the total revenue from the suppliers. So inner join product details on the supplier ID equals the foreign key of supplier ID, and inner join purchases on the product details ID with product details ID. Inner join the products P on pd.product ID equals the foreign key product ID. And group by the supplier ID and also order by the total revenue in an ascending order, and we limit it to 1. So there's the result. The supplier's name is Sophia Mary Anderson, which has the total revenue of 14.50.